Hey guys, welcome back. So it is time for me to get in this dining room and straighten it up. I still have the Valentine's Day decor, well, some of it. My husband decorated the table and everything, but I need to just go and clear off the rest because we had teddy bears and stuff, and it was really cute what he did. I woke up and, I woke up to a nice surprise. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and clear it off. I'm not going to be doing a tablescape right now. I just want to free my table of all decor. I mean, I'm going to have a centerpiece, but I'm not going to have my plates and stuff on the table. I just want to clear it off for now, and then maybe in the spring I'll come and do a tablescape, maybe something for Easter. I'm not really sure yet, but I love my tablescapes. I love how pretty it is, but I'm just ready to have the table free of a lot of stuff. And I'm also collaborating with Emoji Style. She's going to share her dining room, so you guys should definitely check it out because she has really nice home decor. She's a glam girl, and she has awesome DIYs, some of the best DIYs on YouTube, and I kid you not, guys, you should definitely check her out, see for yourself. But yeah, she's gonna share her dining room with you all, and it's so beautiful. So yeah, definitely click on her channel. I will have the link in the description box, and I will also pin it in the comments, so you can just go there and check her out. Let her know I sent you. And if you're from her channel, thank you so much for clicking on the video. I hope you decide to subscribe by the end of it. And yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get started, guys. Alright, hey guys, so it's the next day and I decided to go ahead and paint the bottom half of this wall because this is something I've been meaning to do for a while, but I've just been so lazy and procrastinating it. I never really cared for this shade of gray here. This is Armitage Gray by Sherwin-Williams, and this is Peppercorn, and I really love this one. I wanted this bottom half to be darker. And yeah, so I figured I'll go ahead and knock it out of the way since I have the chairs and stuff out of here, and I'm just trying to give this dining room not really a refresh, but just trying to get it to my liking. So yeah, I figured I'll go ahead and knock this out of the way. It's not going to take me long just to do the bottom half. I started on this last night and I'm just going to finish it up right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and tape up these edges because I don't want this surface to get painted. Alright, so I am done painting and I am loving this color so much. It looks really good with my art. But yeah, let me go ahead and finish getting this place in order. I am loving this paint though. It's so much better. The other color was just lifeless, way too dull, and this is just, it's just so much better. But yeah, let me go ahead and finish up. Alright, so I'm gonna try this dry floor cloth today. Normally I would just use a microfiber cloth when I'm mopping, and I also like to use this Bona. This is for stone tile and laminate floors. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the dry floor cloths. These are from Dollar Tree, and yeah, I don't have the Bona mop. I'm still using my Swiffer. And I mean, it's been working for me. I don't feel the need to go out and buy the Bona mop because they do have one that's just like, you know, a stick. And then they also have the one that comes with the liquid. It has like a container with the liquid, and you can just press the nozzle and spray the cleaner out. But I don't know, I just have yet to buy it. This has been working for me, but I figured I'll go ahead and give these a try with the cleaner. So that's what I'm using, guys. Alright guys, so I am done. This is what it's looking like. I'm just going to go around the room and tell you where everything is from. So we're just going to start over here with my bar cart. So I purchased all of the glassware from Ross. Found them there, really beautiful. And this vase is from Home Goods. And oh, the bar cart itself is from Z Gallery. And everything down here, minus the pineapple and of course the liquor, is from Ross. So all of this is from Ross. I got the pineapple from Home Goods. Okay, and the curtains, those are from Amazon. This mirror is from Home Goods. It's so beautiful. I love how it has that mirrored frame and it's like that mercury glass. It's so pretty. Yeah. And the paint I decided to go with is Peppercorn on the bottom by Sherwin-Williams, and on the top is Repost Gray. All right, and let's just go on this side to this bar cart. Of course, I have the same thing at the top because I just love symmetry, but at the bottom, I just have some more alcohol and glasses. The tray is from Dollar Tree, I believe. I got it a long time ago, and those glasses are from not Dollar Tree, oh my goodness. The tray is from Ross, and the glasses are from Dollar Tree. But yeah, and over here I just have these sconces from Ross and some LED candles. All right, now this bench, I purchased this from Kirkland's, I believe, but I did reupholster it and add the nail heads because I wanted that navy blue in the space. And the bench originally has a geometric shape and a light blue color. It just didn't go with the room, so I changed it. I've had it for a very, very long time, maybe like 7 years. And the table is from Pier 1. And what I really love about this table is the shimmer that it has. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, you can see it right there in the light. It has a really pretty shimmer throughout the table. It's so gorgeous. And it's just a really nice table. This is a like grayish marble. So It's a really nice table. I definitely recommend it, guys. Definitely recommend it. I love how they did the corners as well. It's different, and I like different. Okay, the chairs are from Amazon, and all of these vases are from Ross. I love that it has the mixture of gold with silver because I really love mixing my metals. And this light is from Overstock. I have it off because when I turn it on, it like makes my blues look purplish. I'm gonna turn it on so you guys can see. You see it looks like a dark purple now, but it's because of the color of the bulbs. It has that yellowish tint, so it's giving off a different color to all of the blues in the room. But I'm just gonna, keep it on for the rest of the video. It's probably changing the color, but you guys know the true color. All right, so over here I have this console. This is from Amazon. And this lamp, I purchased it a very long time ago from Kirkland's. It's really nice. I did have it in the family room, but I'm still searching for lamps for this space. So I went ahead and just put the lamps back in here. I might keep these lamps in here and just get some new lamps for the family room. But I did put that fabric on there. It's the same fabric as the bench, and I did find it at Joann's. And then I just have this centerpiece here. Wasn't trying to do a lot with the decor on this console, but I found this at Ross. It's so pretty. And the art is from Amazon. This is by Ashley's Home Store. It's so pretty. I love it. I love all of the colors inside. You can just definitely play around with the colors. I wanted to bring out the navy blue because it's my favorite color, but you can do like a lighter shade of blue or a royal blue, teal. You can just really play around with the colors in this art. Oh, and I need to put my vase back under there. Hold on, guys. Let me get it. I have this vase from Ross that I like to, just place under the console, hide the cords. Let me put it back. So pretty. So let me step back so you can see. It is nice. And then I have this piece here just sitting on this opening. I got this from Ross. I don't think I'm going to bring an area rug back in here because I do like it without the rug. I get to see more of my floors. I mean, don't get me wrong. I do like the way an area rug looks in a dining room. And when I did have one under this table, I really did like the look. But I would just have to get the right rug. But for now, I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just going to leave it bare. And I mean, I like it both ways, but you guys know me. When I get bored, I start switching things up and, finding new looks, giving, spaces a refresh. So who knows what I might do in the future. But yeah, that's going to wrap up this video, guys. Don't forget to check out my girl Moji Styles video. Check out her dining room and subscribe. Show her some love, guys, because she is amazing. And her room is so beautiful. Her DIYs are amazing. You definitely need to check her out. But I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you do so. That'll be so, so awesome. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.